Have you ever felt your femininity was undervalued or misunderstood? The world was quick to label sensitivity and intuition as weaknesses. We're here to dispel the myth of femininity connected to gender and to rediscover the power of feminine essence. Historically, Western culture was shaped by patriarchy, which created stereotypes about what's acceptable and desirable for men and women. For example, men was supposed to be rational, logical, competitive, dominant, while women were expected to be submissive, domestic, supportive, and quiet. Yet, feminine essence or energy is not gender specific, while feminine essence is a term that refers to the qualities that are traditionally associated with women, such as intuition, creativity, empathy, sensitivity, receptivity, imagination. These qualities are not limited to women. This energy can be expressed and experienced by anyone, regardless of their gender identity, and depends on the context and the individual. Like day and night, light and dark, masculine and feminine qualities cannot exist without each other. By suppressing and devaluing feminine essence, we diminish creativity, intuition, kindness, a sense of well-being, community, and even spirituality, and everything that makes us human. The feminine and masculine aspects can be represented by the symbol of yin and yang, which signify the balance and harmony of opposites. Feminine and masculine are two different types of spiritual forces that exist within each other, regardless of our biological gender. Of course, men and women have them in different proportions, and thus we experience differences. For example, we can always think about masculine as the mind and feminine as the self, the soul. However, emotional and physical concerns can arise when these energies become imbalanced or suppressed, which often happens in our daily lives and demands in the modern world. This can lead to numerous problems. For example, we can think about the cost of suppressing our femininity as decreased self-esteem, emotional and mental health issues, lots of creativity and innovation, relationship strain, and cultural homogeneity. What could we do to reclaim our feminine essence? Talking about creativity, let's engage with our senses and discover new approaches to daily activities. This is not only about supporting our feminine nature, but also a very good exercise for brain functionality. Connect with nature. In traditional societies, the feminine essence was associated with the earth and masculine force was associated with the sky. Grounding yourself and reconnecting with your senses by spending time in natural surroundings is very good for our feminine identity. Women naturally are introspective. We can get connected with our thoughts and feelings through meditation, visualization, and journaling. Acceptance and gratitude. Learn to accept love, support, and help and acknowledge it with gratitude. Connections. Women are about forming connections. So building a network of supportive women will empower us on our journey. Perhaps the best practice that can embrace most of those suggestions is creating visual art. Creative art involves exploring our creativity and emotional expression. By creating art, we can find beauty and follow our intuition in creating it. Abstract art is particularly good for this because it's more intuitive, it's connected to our emotions and feelings, and challenge societal stereotypes and celebrate our diversity and complexity. Yes, we do create for ourselves, but we also share it with others. Art creates unique space for artists to unite, learn, share, and it's also an excellent way to support each other. In the next part of our tutorial, we'll be engaged into drawing. This is a special neurographic art drawing that is designed to support our feminine essence. If you're interested to creating this drawing, please follow the link and watch the video Reclaiming Your Feminine Essence through Neurographic Art. And if you don't want to draw, you can just watch the next part of the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And now, let's start drawing.